If you are uploading a lot of products at once or making a lot of changes to your store, using a CSV spreadsheet in Vend allows you to add or make changes to a large group of items, including your products, stock orders, customers, and price books. Using a CSV can save you time as it allows you to bulk upload products, calculate markups, and edit product details. The first CSV you'll want to set up will be for your products. Before you get started, you'll want to set up your tax rates in Vend. If you haven't done this, you can learn how by watching the module relevant to your region on Vend. You'll also want to have set up your outlets, which you can do by navigating to Setup, Outlets and Registers. You'll also want to have some information ready, such as the names of your products and the different versions, such as size, color, or material, the retail prices, keeping in mind if you are a tax-exclusive or tax-inclusive store, barcode numbers, the exact names of the taxes you've set up in Vend, the names of all the outlets you're planning to set up the inventory, and finally, the loyalty amount of any product you want to set to something other than your store's default amount. You'll also need to set up your product as one of 3 types: standard product, a variant product that has different attributes such as size, color, or material, and finally, a composite product, which is a product that is created from the inventory of other items in your store. To get started, you'll want to download a CSV template from the Help Center. If you already have existing products in your store, you can export your product list out to CSV so you have a template to work with. If you only want to edit a selection of your products, you don't have to export your entire list at once. You can choose to export products by a certain name, type, brand, supplier, or tag. The product CSV has a number of columns, including the product's unique ID, the product name, SKU, information about variants, taxes, and inventory levels. To learn what each of these columns mean and what to put in every column, be sure to watch the CSV Columns module. Once you've completed your CSV, you can return to the Products page to import. Either drag and drop your CSV file, or click Browse to search for and add the CSV. Vend has a quick CSV checker that will look for some of the most common import errors in your CSV file before it imports into your store. You'll be able to view the errors that occurred and download a new version of your CSV that includes a note on these errors. Once you've made the necessary changes, remove the error notes from the CSV and re-import the file. From here, click Continue Import to import the products into your store. This is just a small introduction to what CSVs can do. To learn more about product CSVs, check out the course on Vend. CSVs can also be used to import customers from an existing system, set up sales and promotions using price books, or order, transfer, and return stock. You can also export all this information about your store out to CSV. This is useful if you want to import the data into another accounting system or create your own reports.